Do you also want to create a realistic AI avatar like mine one that looks super realistic? Has perfect lip syncing, smooth hand movements, and even walks like me? Then you're in the right place.
Today, I'm going to give you a full guide on how to create a realistic AI avatar for free. I'll also show you how to make your own AI avatar step by step. Now, there are already a lot of videos on YouTube about this topic, but none of them really explain the process in detail. And when you try their prompts, the avatar turns out completely different.
In this video, I'll show you the exact process I use to create my own ultra-realistic and consistent avatars. And the best part? The whole process is completely free. Most YouTubers only teach you how to make a 10-second avatar using Kling and Runway. But I'll show you how to make a 3-minute avatar. And trust me, this method hasn't been shared anywhere before. This is going to be a detailed tutorial where we'll go through the following steps. Create a realistic avatar. Transform it into your own personalized realistic avatar. Add talking and hand movements. Make the avatar walk and talk at the same time. Perfect the lip syncing for a natural look. First, create a realistic avatar. We'll use Leonardo AI or Pixverse AI to make our base avatar. Both tools can create high-quality, realistic images, but each has its own strengths. Let's take a closer look at both to see which one fits best. We'll start by using Lumen AI first. Go to the Lumen AI website and click Generate for free. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard, where many images created by other users are already displayed. The images look amazing, they're detailed, realistic, and show just how powerful this tool can be. Now click on the Create option. You'll see a prompt box where you can type what kind of image you want to make. Below that, you'll find different aspect ratio options. You can choose the size that fits your project best. There's also an option to generate multiple images at once, which is great if you want to see a few variations. You'll also notice a model selection section. Here, you can choose the style you want, like realistic, anime, line art, and more. For this tutorial, I'm choosing the realistic model. Now in the prompt box, type your image prompt. You'll find the prompt link in the description box below. Just copy and paste it there to get started. The images are ready, and you can see how good the quality is. Let's go ahead and create a few more images to get even better results. If you don't like the result, click Regenerate to get new images. When you find one you like, click on it and download it. Now we'll use Leonardo AI to create our avatar images. First, go to the Leonardo AI website and click on the Create option. Once you're in, you'll see the image dashboard. Click on the image icon and it will open the main interface where you can start creating your images. From here, choose the dynamic style to give your avatar a more natural and lively look. Next, click on the Model option and select FluxDev, which works great for realistic results. After that, set the aspect ratio. I'm choosing 16:9, but you can select any size that fits your project. Finally, choose how many images you want to generate. I recommend keeping it at 4 so you get a few different options to compare and pick the best one. Now, in the prompt box, add your image prompt. I'm using the same prompt that I used earlier in Lumen AI. Now click on the Generate button. In just a few seconds, your images will be ready. These images also look great. Both of these AI image generators are free to use, so you can choose either one based on your preference. A lot of people have asked me how I made my avatar. Well, I use a secret tool to create it. Let's check out the process step by step. Next, we'll use Remaker AI. Go to the official Remaker AI website. Once there, upload the image you previously generated. You can also upload your own image or any character image you want to work with. Then upload your own image or any character image you want to work with. After uploading, click on the Model option, and in a short while, your new image will be ready. Let's create another one following the same process, but this time, we'll use a different model to see a new style and variation. Here's the image. See how simple and easy the process is. Now we'll use 11 Labs to create the voice for our avatar. Go to 11 Labs and log in using your email. 11 Labs generates ultra-realistic voices. And when you sign up, you'll get 5,000 credits to create voices for free. Now click on the text-to-speech option. In the box, type the text for the voice you want to generate. Next, go to the settings and select the voice of the artist you want.
Love all, trust a few.
Life without love.
The thing always happens that you...
As we are liberated from our...
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
Here, you can adjust the voice by increasing or decreasing the level, and you'll also find many other voice options and adjustment settings. Customize them however you like to get the perfect sound for your avatar. Once everything is set, click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your voice will be ready.
Today, I'm going to give you a full guide on how to create a realistic AI avatar for free. I'll also show you how to make your own AI avatar step by step.
Now let's create an AI avatar video with perfect lip sync and realistic hand movements. For this, we'll use HeyGen AI. Go to HeyGen AI and log in. As you can see, you can generate 3 videos for free, with each video lasting up to 3 minutes. There's also an alternative way to keep using this AI for free. Once your 3 credits are used, you can still create more avatar videos, even unlimited. Check out my previous video to learn the full process. Now click on a photo to video. Upload the image you previously generated, and once the upload is complete, add your generated AI voice. After both are uploaded, it's time for the most secret part in the custom motion box. Add this prompt. This prompt will make your avatar video look ultra realistic and perfect. The video is ready. Look at the quality and detail, it looks incredibly realistic. The voice and hand movements also feel completely natural. Now let's create a walking avatar with perfect movement. For this, we can use several AI tools like Kling AI, VO3, and more. Now go to Kling AI and click on Try On. Once you enter the dashboard, you'll find the video option. Click on it and upload your generated image. You can also use a standing or walking image if you prefer. In the next step of this video, I'll show you how to create the same character image for even more consistent results. I'm choosing this image, and just below it, you'll find a box to add your video prompt. You can get the prompt from the description box below. You can edit the prompt however you like to match your style or idea. Once everything is set, click Generate. In just a few seconds, your video will be ready. Now let's create the same character in a walking or standing style. Go to Pick Lumen AI and click on the Create option. In the prompt box, paste the prompt provided. Then click on Reference Image and upload your character image. After that, increase the similarity setting to 100%. This will help you create an exact clone of your character. Let's compare both images side by side. If you don't get the perfect result on the first try, try a few more times. Now let's create a walking avatar using VO3. I've already shown you the process with Kling AI, and now I'll walk you through VO3 so you can choose whichever one you prefer. Go to Gemini and open VO3. In the Tool section, select VO, then upload your generated image. After that, type your prompt in the prompt box. You can customize it and add whatever you want your avatar to say. Finally, click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your video will be ready.
When we talk about innovation, it's not just about technology. It's about a mindset.
To Idea SAI, where we explore the fascinating intersection of creativity and artificial intelligence.
We'll use Dreamface AI to modify the lips and voice, allowing the character to say exactly what we want. Go to Dreamface AI and upload the video you generated earlier. Once the video is uploaded, go to the audio section and upload your audio file. Then click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your updated video will be ready.
I'm so glad you're here. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, questions, or any ideas you have.
When you use this AI, a watermark or logo will appear on the video. But don't worry, I have a simple trick to fix this. We'll use CapCut to easily remove the watermark. Go to CapCut and import your Dream AI generated video. On the upper layer, add the VO3 generated video and adjust the starting points of both layers. Next, go to the Mask option and click Add Mask, then select the rectangle mask. Increase the mask size and adjust it to cover the watermark. Now you'll see the difference. The watermark is gone.
Welcome to Ideas.
There are two audio tracks, one from VO3 and the other from Dreamface AI. Go to the audio settings and lower its volume level to 0.
Welcome to Ideas AI. I'm so glad you're here. If you found this video...
Once done, export the video.
Welcome to Ideas AI. I'm so glad you're here. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, questions, or any ideas you have.